Should I buy or sell metamaterials? The report for metamaterials was first published on our website Thursday, December 8, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since October 21, 2022, our system ranks metamaterials as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.552. During this period the stock has outperformed our expectations with a gain 98.49% since we first told you to buy metamaterials 34 days ago. This is an average return of 2.9% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for metamaterials, our last headline reads, Volatile ride for metamaterials stock price on Thursday moving between $1.70 and $1.95. The metamaterials stock price fell by -13.70% on the last day, Thursday, December 8, 2022, from $2.05 to $1.76. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 14.71% from a day low at $1.70 to a day high of $1.95. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still down by -3.56% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -36 million shares and in total, 15 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $26.36 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $3.53, and the lowest price was $0.630. Right now the price is 49.98%, or $1.76, below 52-week high and 91.89%, or $20, below all-time high June 21, 2021 where the price hit $21.76. The stock lies in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $1.66 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 141.12% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 126.37% and 243.61%. The 12-month trend indicates a -37.17% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -85.92% and -22.63%. This equals a price between $0.249 and $1.37 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, metamaterials stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a buy and price to book a buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for metamaterials. The metamaterials stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1.85. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $1.54. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 21, 2022, and so far it has fallen -21.02%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 54 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 43 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 41 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 28 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for metamaterials. Metamaterials find support from accumulated volume at $1.68, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.250 between high and low, or 14.71%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 14.4%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, metamaterials meets first resistance at $1.87. If you do not hold metamaterials shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, metamaterials finds first level of support at $1.68, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for metamaterials is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On November 16, 2022, Harding John R. made an inside buy of 126,000 of common stock. On November 11, 2022, Rice Kenneth L. Jr. made an inside buy of 68,830 of stock option, right to buy. On November 11, 2022, Waldern Jonathan made an inside buy of 904,826 of stock option, right to buy. On October 25, 2022, Welch Thomas Gordon made an inside sell of 500,000 of exchangeable shares. On October 25, 2022, Welch Thomas Gordon made an inside buy of 500,000 of common stock. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 8.845. In total, the insiders bought 19,604,686 and sold 16,676,017 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $1.66, minus 6%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 12 days ago. Is metamaterials stock a buy? Metamaterials hold several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 9th, we expect metamaterials to open up $0.0401 and start trading at $1.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to